Hi, good morning. Hi, hello everyone. My name is Sandeep Kumar. I'm PhD research scholar, and now today I'm here to teach you about the data structure and Python. So in this class, we will talk about data structure with Python. So that means what is data structure? So first of all, we know that the data structure is a combination of data and structure. So let's understand one by one what is data structure, and how uh, which type of data structure in Python involves. So in the going to the next slide, we can see that what is data structure. So even the data structure is nothing but it is a combination of data and structure. So if we talk about data structure, data plus structure. So here that means what is a data? Data is anything, we can say that anything that give information, this is data. And if we talk about structure, what is the meaning of structure? That means the representation of that particular data, which I talk about in this field. So like data structure, so the structure like representation, like we can use for example array, graph. Okay, so here we understand one by one. So let's here stand what is Python. So and we talk about here the Python. Python is a programming language. Python, it is a programming language. Okay, so this is a very broad, and nowadays it is a very latest Python language which is used in many fields like artificial intelligence, web development, mobile app development, and the basic mathematical operations. Here are the lots of library available in in Python. Okay, so we will discuss how Python involved the data structure. So all these things, so firstly we understand the type of data structure in a, now let's move to the next slide where there is a type of data structure in Python. So in Python there are basically two type of data structure. First one is a built-in data structure and a user defined data structure. So if I talk about the general type of data structure, so in we talk about the general type of data structure like data structure general. If we talk about the general type of data structure, so it has a two type of data structure. First is a linear data structure and non-linear data structure. अब linear type of data structure or non-linear data structure, this is our non-primitive data structure. These thing, if we talk about, these thing happen in non primitive data structure. This is non primitive. Okay, and then again understand the primitive data structure. So if we talk about primitive data structure, primitive data structure is what is a like array, sorry, like this will not happen. So in primitive data structure is nothing integer, float and char. So in Python, there are two types. We have discussed the two type of data structure: inbuilt data structure and user-defined data structure. In inbuilt data structure, we can see that here they are the list, dictionary, tuple, and sets. But in user-defined data structure, is stack, queue, tree, linked list, graph, and hash map functions. Now move to the next slide, and this is the ending slide. So discard it. Okay, now open the dialog box, and now let's talk about, let's move to the coding part. So we have an anaconda development environment. So here the open the anaconda and Jupyter notebook open. So now let's move to this.